am. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.
What's going on, man? What's up, man? What you running here, man?
Got four 18-inch SDNs on 2 dynamic audio 7Ks at 1 ohm a piece.
You said 4 up? 4
in a little bit. 4 of them, yeah.
There we go. There we go. I'm gonna sit you down here for you. Yeah, man. The back open up to the amp right there?
No,
Are they closed out?
Yeah, it's closed off.
Man, I show proof. What can I find you on social media?
You can. This is my buddy's build, Colton Swerts. He's on Penny Pincher. He's got the big white Penny Pincher Sundown van.
Okay, yeah.
So while that's on hold for temporary times,
got this one.
He's got this one.
Yeah, you got a backup.
Yeah.
Man,
this is less of a hassle to load on a trailer and all that. This is
y'all can still drive this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Even better.
Yep. And it's almost just as loud.
Man, this thing nice, man. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, yes,
it's
sir.
Good seeing y'all. Woo.
Changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.